we invest. And then again, we um we tried we expect a return to that kasi investment nga eh. So we
Yeah.
should expect, but uh again fall again. So out of savings, so yung kinukuhanan namin is from the savings. So natuto kami sa ganung paraan. Parang it's hardest way pag na-experience mo ka matututo, or maybe may pagkukulang din sa knowledge or head knowledge about that kasi wala ka pang masyadong alam during that time kung registered ba yan. Yan, na-mention ko also in article. So, it's very important na to know that this business is really registered and allowed to collect money, something like that. So, and now, na-apply syempre, hindi ka nauulit dapat doon sa mistake na nagawa mo before. So, it's really matters na you start small and be faithful on that. So, yun yung pinaka lesson I have learned before.